Home buying shouldn't be a hassle to start. Our company is here to help you purchase a home faster than an Amazon order. Anyone who leaves a review will get 50% off their next purchase and a referral bonus for any new person they bring in. It's our way of saying thank you. Landscaping, whether it be patios, brick walls, or concrete, our company is here to help you. We deliver quality you can trust.
If you want the smoothest way to create cinematic AI videos today, the simplest path is to stop juggling disconnected tools and instead work inside a single environment designed to handle the entire process. That is exactly the philosophy behind HiggsfieldAI. It was built as an end-to-end workspace where planning, generation, and polishing all happen in one place, without forcing creators to compromise on quality or flexibility. Whether you are a solo creator publishing weekly content or a professional who needs expert-grade results, the challenge is usually the same. You need speed without sacrificing control, and power without unnecessary complexity. Higgsfield approaches this problem by structuring AI video generation the way a real production studio would, rather than acting like a one-button generator. There's also a discount running for the new year where you get unlimited Nano Pro generations depending on which tier you sign up for, as well as unlimited video generations. The discount is about 70% off, so grab it while it's still available. At the core of the platform is a clean separation between two ideas, features and models. This distinction matters more than it sounds. Features are the workflows, the creative interfaces that guide you through specific types of video creation. Models are the engines underneath, the systems that determine how your video actually looks, moves, and performs. Because these two layers are separate, you are never locked into a single creative approach. You decide what you want to make first, then decide what powers it. That alone changes how fast and confidently you can work. Features exist to help creators move quickly and experiment without friction. Instead of starting every video from a blank prompt, you choose a workflow designed for the type of content you are making. If your goal is cinematic storytelling, you enter Cinema Studio. If you need speaking performance for ads or explainers, you use Lip Sync. If you're sketching ideas or storyboards, Draw 2 Video and Sketch 2 Video let you turn rough visuals into motion. If you want trend-driven content fast, Sora 2 Trends gives you guided templates. And if your goal is scalable advertising, Click to Ad can generate video ads directly from a product link. These features are designed to match how creators actually work. They reduce setup time, remove guesswork, and let you focus on creative decisions instead of technical overhead. You are not forced to build everything from scratch unless you want to. Underneath those features are the models, and this is where Higgsfield stands out. Different AI video models excel at different tasks, and instead of hiding that complexity, Higgsfield gives you access to it in a controlled, creator-friendly way. If your goal is cinematic continuity and multi-shot coverage, you can choose a model optimized for that purpose, such as 1.2.6, if speed matters more than perfection. You can select a faster tier like Minimax High-Low 2 to iterate quickly. If your video depends on dialogue, facial performance, and accurate lip sync, you can choose Kling 2.6, which is designed for strong audio-video alignment. This freedom to pair the right workflow with the right engine makes Higgsfield feel less like a generator and more like a production pipeline. You are not asking one tool to do everything. You are assembling the right setup for each shot. The actual creation process is straightforward. You start by opening the video workspace, which is the central hub for generation. From there, you choose your model based on the result you want. This decision alone saves time because you are no longer guessing whether the system will handle motion, continuity, or performance well. Next, you upload your inputs and set your controls. Depending on the feature you are using, that might mean uploading an image, writing a prompt, or defining start and end frames. The platform is flexible enough to support simple generations and more controlled sequences. Clean inputs matter. Sharp, well-lit images with a clear subject and simple background almost always produce better results. Avoid cutting off faces, hands, or product labels. Think like a cinematographer even when working with AI. Prompting works best when you think in shots rather than descriptions. Instead of writing a long paragraph, focus on composition, subject, camera move, and mood. A prompt like medium close-up, eye level. Subject turns slightly, slow, dally-in. Soft cinematic lighting gives the model clear direction without overwhelming it. Motion should stay simple. One intentional camera move almost always looks more cinematic than stacking multiple movements. If you need consistency at the start or end of a clip, start and end frames help lock the look, making it easier to cut, loop, or add a call to action. Once you generate a clip, you review it like an editor, not like a gambler. If something feels off, you adjust one variable at a time. Change the image, refine the prompt, switch the camera, move, or try a different model. This controlled iteration is what keeps the workflow fast without becoming chaotic. When the clip looks right, you export it and either publish immediately or bring it into your editing workflow for captions, music, pacing, and formatting. Higgsfield does not try to replace your entire post-production stack. It integrates into it. One of the fastest ways to get clean results, especially if you are producing content regularly, is by using presets. Presets are ready-made camera moves, styles, and templates that remove the need to fine-tune every parameter manually. They are especially useful when you want consistent output across multiple videos or variations. Presets reduce prompt tweaking, speed up generation, and help maintain visual consistency. For creators working on weekly schedules or running ad campaigns, this can make the difference between experimentation and execution. What ultimately makes Higgsfield effective is not just the number of tools it offers, but how they are organized. By separating workflows from engines, the platform mirrors real creative decision-making. You decide what you are making, then choose how it should be made. This structure lowers the learning curve for new users while still giving experienced creators the control they expect. You can move fast when you need to, slow down when quality matters, and adjust your approach without switching platforms. If you are serious about cinematic AI video, the advantage is clear. Instead of stitching together tools, rewriting prompts for different systems, and guessing which model will behave best, you work inside a single environment designed for the entire life cycle of video creation. If this breakdown helped clarify how modern AI video generation actually works, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps support deeper, more practical content like this. And if there is a specific tool, workflow, or creative use case you would like us to break down next, let us know in the comments.